Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove JPEG artifacts from an image. First, open your web browser and go to onlinejpgtools.com. This website has many tools for working with JPEG images, and one of them is a dedicated artifact remover. Next, upload your image. You can either drag and drop the file into the upload area or use the upload button to select it from your computer. Once the image is uploaded, the tool will immediately start processing. You will see options to adjust the artifact removal strength. If your image has only a few compression marks, use a lower strength. If the image is very blocky, increase the strength. You can preview the changes instantly on the screen. Take a moment to compare the before and after versions. If the image looks smoother and clearer, you are ready to save it. Finally, click the Save As button to save the cleaned image back to your computer and click Download. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.